What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Minima Monet and we're back with another video. I was really excited to see the trend long skirts. Midi skirts is still in because it's something that I've kind of like avoided wearing. I have long skirts, I just never wear them because I feel like I don't know how to pair them well. Well, today I'm forcing myself to pair them in any way, shape, or form until I find at least 4 repeat outfits that I can wear all spring long. So come with me, come get y'all skirt on, let's go. All right, so these are the 3 skirts that are up for the running. We've got a white pretty floral, a rich chocolate that y'all seen me wear with my pairing outfit, and a black dress that we're going to makeshift into a skirt, long skirt. So yeah, let's get to that. All right, wanted to show y'all it in its natural state. This is that white floral. I think this is technically a midi skirt because it doesn't go all the way to the floor, but love this one. Very sweet and cute. I think I can pair this with a lot of like very light colors. I might even try to get away with a dark boots. We'll see. All right, this is our next lovely contestant. She is dark chocolate. She is a diva, okay? She's got a slit, and I love the like middle cross here. Gives it so much attention. I don't know, it's just so cute. And I love that it's fitted because I feel like I can probably get away with some looser tops with this one. So we'll see what colors we can pair. Not real confident on that color. I might just stick to neutrals just to keep it safe. So yeah. This one is a dress actually that I have slid all the way down. It's basically a sleeveless skirt dress, and it's supposed to be midi, so like it comes all the way up here. And very sweet, but I really prefer it as a skirt if I'm gonna wear it. I guess I could still pull it all the way up and wear it up and then like put the shirt on top, but sometimes you want a little midriff moment, and I think that's the only way to do it is to slide this one down. So I like it. There's a few like annoying pieces like the hanger pieces and where the belt loop is supposed to go, but other than that, I love that it has lace at the bottom and that it's black because I know I can pair any color with this and not feel so conscious about it too much. So love this last option. Almost forgot to show you all the excessive amount of top options we have to select from, wearing every color in the neutral variety. So yeah, we're gonna see what which ones actually will look like a real outfit. Okay, we got the white button-up crop collar top, all the things. Simple. I'd wear this again. I wear it with all my jeans as a really simple outfit, so worth it. The ruche lace romantic top. In love with this top. I think I'd wear literally anything with it. It's just beautiful. Okay, this one I was just winging it. You know, this is one of those tops you just wear just because you need to wear clothes like a PJ sit. So no. Love this cream top. My favorite always and forever. Has the lettuce, has the buttons, you know, kind of gives you grown woman vibes because it kind of peaks a little bit. Had to wear it off the shoulders. It's just elegant in its own way, and it kind of looks good with any bottoms. I'd wear this with jeans, skirt, shorts probably. I'll get away with it. Oh my gosh, obviously the fave. Not fave pairing, but fave top I've ever purchased. I have a current obsession with mushrooms, as we know now, and there's something about it that just brings so much joy. Okay, the extremely tiny top, green sage top that I will wear time and time again, regardless of how much I accidentally shrink it. Absolutely love this top, and obviously it pairs well because look at that green on green, just lovely. Okay, this one I was actually shocked because even though that's green in the dress, there is blue accents that pop because of the blue. Maybe because it's a powder spring, you know, pastel, but it just it works. It almost looks like the skirt was made for this shirt. Everybody needs the option of wearing their graphic tees with a skirt. I will wear this forever and ever. I think it's so easy and cozy, and you get to kind of like show off your favorite things or people with a shirt, and it works with the skirt. Now this one, love this top alone, love this skirt separately, but they don't work together. I think because they're both white and don't have any other colors except black or green. Like for some reason it just, I don't know. Again, the black, love this lace lettuce top, but the black is kind of with this skirt. And we start again. Now this shirt is finally serving, because this chocolate skirt, love it, absolutely adore it, and for some reason it just snatches this shirt. Like it just makes this shirt scream, holler, all the things. I will be wearing this time and time again. Boring but so cute. Okay, the lace is back, we love her, and she's just giving every skirt something to dream about. Like look at it, look at it. It could be the fact that they're both in the, you know, brown tan family, but this has to be worn on a beach, you know, running in the sand and my feet. It's just so pretty. I can't get over it. All right, she's back, and she's got attitude with this slit, okay? Like, normally I try to do big and small or vice versa, but having both in this combination, it works. Okay, love this one. Again, something about a button up just kind of works with a long skirt. It's like they were intended for each other. They give it life. All right, we got plant vibes, ladies and gentlemen. This is by far one of my faves. It just, I guess because this color pairing is in nature, it works so well, but I'm obsessed with it. We'll always wear it, and yeah. All right, so this one I was a little nervous to put on, but as you can tell, I am ecstatic that this color pairing matched and worked. I have seen tan and blue before, but I've never seen brown and blue before, so this was kind of a test run, and it works. It's not awful, it's not off-putting to the eye, it just kind of works. I think it gives, like, honestly, it probably is because blue jeans go with every color in the rainbow, so maybe that's why, but love it on and off the shoulder. All right, y'all. All right, feeling it. I'm completely in my zone right here. This is the ultimate pairing. It could be because I feel like I'm giving off like black queen vibes right now, but this shirt is so simple and cute, and I love that I have it both in a sweater and a t-shirt. Yes, I have both, and it works so well with this skirt, and I will probably wear this with sandals, boots, tennis shoes, like any way I get to wear this, I will be. And this black top, it's really cute. I think this is fine for just like an everyday simple outfit if you're not trying to show out too much, you know. It's cute. Again, not my favorite, but I would wear it as more of a, you know, just walking around the house, running errands. Like it brings me comfort, I think, more than style. All right, now the black gets to shine. Love everything about this top with this skirt. Easy. But of course we had to bring in a graphic tee because it's black as well, so monochrome moment for this skirt. I think this skirt is really cute. I obviously am ignoring the belt loop that everybody can see, but it works for me because I need another long skirt and I need a black one, and I'm not gonna go buy another one. So y'all, this was my favorite way to wear this white top. By far my favorite. It's just simple, I guess. It's the most simple of color pairings that you can do, and it just made me happy. That's all. Okay, and as we can see, the ruche cream lace top is she's speaking truths to every single skirt. I will be wearing this shirt with every single skirt and pretend it's a new outfit every single time. Look at her. Just elegant. Again, the blue. I think I just like this top on its own. It's very cute. I feel like, I don't know, I feel like a real adult in this outfit. There's something very posed about it. We had to try the brown. This is the time it didn't work in the most favor. And of course, how could we go out without the natural shirt with the black skirt? It works. And Prince's shirt had a little bit of black in it, so I figured it could work. I think I'd still wear this. I'd probably wear a blue jean jacket on top, just for fun. All right, so I am gonna show you the ones that won, and then I'm gonna probably do a styling walkthrough just to kind of give each one of these a little bit more oomph, I guess. So first, we've got the black on black. I love this because I love any excuse to wear a graphic tee. It's comfortable, and I think the excessive like structure of the top with the cute lace detail at the bottom is just really, really cute. I think it just adds something. It's extra, but without really being that much, let's be honest. So this is number one. All right, next up is this cute green top with the brown. I love everything about this one. It gives me plant vibes, and you know I'm always here for a plant vibe. So definitely this one is going to be worn like crazy. Okay, y'all, and call me indecisive if you want to. I could not for the life of me pick between this and the green pairing. It was just too sweet, too cute, and I'm thinking about pairing this with black, everything else. So love this one. Yes. All right, y'all, and then this is the last one, pairing with the floral white skirt. Absolutely adorable. I think I couldn't put this blue shirt down because it's just so, like, it gives like a romantic vibe off. And I tried wearing it up like this, and it's okay. It's like whatever, but no, like this is the preferred look for sure. I think it just adds something for this top itself. And even though it's not like blue, like perfect or anything, it's green and blue. I feel like they still kind of, you know, are in the same family, so they can pair without it being too weird and odd. So I like this one a lot because we are not. Oh my god. Okay, I'm sorry. All right, first outfit for the win. Love that I felt comfortable enough to wear, I mean, they're like chunky heel, whatever, but felt comfortable to wear it with this outfit. It just felt like it needed it. The tennis shoes just wouldn't have cut it, and I paired it with a cream bag and cream shoes, and yeah, all works. Next, we have the pairing that matches to a tee, the green on green. Love it. I really wanted to bring out the sneakers with this one. The sneakers are a little bit much. They're like very big compared to the rest of the outfit, but I love it. I think it still works, and it makes me feel really comfortable because, you know, I can't wear heels every day. That's just not my vibe. And whenever you need a little bit of comfort, bring out your little jackets. I wear this corduroy jacket as if it's a jean jacket, even though it's green. It goes with most things and just super cozy, you know, because it is pretty windy during the spring, and it always comes in clutch. And it just feels like I'm going on an adventure, like a character in a game. It just reminds me of just fun vibes. Okay, and this one is felt very, very flirty, even with the sneakers. Like, I love everything about this one, especially if it's hotter for your spring. Like, I feel kind of free in this one. I really, really like this one. And of course, had to bring the jacket back because why not? The green is just, it's giving, and it's one of my favorite colors. Okay, and for the my favorite one out of this entire thing is this pairing. Again, I feel empowered. I feel amazing. The brown is just awesome with the little bit of brown on the shirt. Gives natural vibes, says it's natural. It's just all around a good outfit. And the black boots just like serious like domination in this moment. Like, I feel so strong. And of course had to pair the black boots with the black bag, and it's a whole look. Love this next one as well. Couldn't pass up the black everywhere, all black everything. It looks really, really good together. Love the lace at the bottom. Gives a little extraness to this, you know, rather simple outfit. All right, so for the last outfit, we got the all black vibes. Love the fact that this has a little bit of everything. It's got like a very structured rough graphic tee, a soft skirt with a nice lace detail, which is probably my favorite thing about this whole fit. And I paired it with some cute sneakers and a black bag, just to kind of bring it together. I feel sporty chic, I feel sassy, I feel dope. I just love everything about this fit. So yeah, it's a real vibe. Can't ask for more. All right, y'all, that was everything. Thanks so much for coming along with me in this long skirt try on. Let me know in the comments which pairing was your favorite. I still don't know which ones are my top faves, so let me know. All right, y'all, I'll catch y'all in the next video.